Right. What we'll do today, we'll start with a new standard that's called nothing but earnings per share, EPS. Earnings per share बोल के एक standard है ना, accounting standard 20.
Yes, sir.
That will start, sir. See what all standards we have completed till now. Accounting standard 17, segmental reporting. Accounting standard 18, related party disclosures. And accounting standard 24, discontinued operations. Right now,
Yes, sir.
two more pending standards from my side are accounting standard 20 and accounting standard what's a 22. 20 is a very important standard, sir, because compulsory one question is there from accounting standard 20.
Yes, sir.
We'll take up that standard now, shall we?
Yes, sir.
Sir, this word earnings per share is not a new term to you, if you remember. Earnings per share matlab kya? It's nothing but earnings available to equity shareholders
Yes, sir.
divided by number of equity shares. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Earnings available to equity shareholder divided by number of equity shares is called nothing but what's earnings per share. We know this concept through normal logics.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, अभी हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? If you observe, see, preparing earnings per share has become a statutory requirement these days.
Yes, sir.
Why is statutory requirement? I'll tell you. Because if you remember, where you prepare income statement under the Companies Act. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When you prepare income statement under the Companies Act, preparing EPS is mandatory. If you remember.
Yes, sir.
Last में the format में the last part is
Yes, sir.
basic earnings per share and diluted earnings per share.
Yes, sir.
है ना? तो that basic earnings per share and diluted earnings per share we prepare as per accounting standard 20 only. AS 20 के हिसाब से ही compute करते हैं हम लोग. Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let me start the standard, sir. It will take 2 days to complete the standard. It's not like other standard कि एक दिन में हो जाएगा, नहीं होगा. It will take 2 days to complete the standard, today and tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Okay, right. Sir.
तो सुना है, AS 20 में 2 learning concepts are there. One is called basic earnings per share and second is called diluted earnings per share. Basic is what we people know. General terms में हम लोग जो compute करते ना, earnings available to equity shareholders divided by number of equity
shares. Yes, sir.
That is called basic earnings per share. Second concept is called nothing but diluted earnings per share. Dilution मतलब क्या पता है? In future, because of some potential equity contracts, यहाँ पे लिखा है देखो. In future, because of some potential equity contracts, will there be any reduction in EPS? Like example, debentures may convert into equity shares.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Debentures may convert into equity share.
Yes, sir.
Preference shares may convert into equity shares.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Employees, you may allot what you call shares under ESOP.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
मतलब indirectly because of all these contracts today, future में number of equity shares will increase.
Yes, sir.
Because future में number of equity shares will increase, this may lead to dilution of EPS.
Yes, sir.
Thereby, this is called diluted earnings per share. Am I clear?
Yes. Okay, sir.
क्या आपको freshly notes बनानी और you're okay with this notes?
Fresh notes, sir.
Fresh notes, sir.
Fresh notes.
Fresh notes?
Yes, sir.
हाँ चलो, no issues. We'll prepare the fresh notes then. छोड़ो इसको. Yeah. You can start with me in that case. Fresh notes से तो fresh notes बनेंगे. No hurry. Give the earnings per share EPS. Accounting standard 20. Fresh notes बनाने से क्या है? Participation ज्यादा रहता है.
Yes, sir.
Accounting standard 20 earnings per share. 2 learning objectives यहीं पे लिख लो. 2 learning objectives in this standard. 2 ही learning objective है standard में. A, preparation of basic earnings per share, and B, preparation of diluted earnings per share. Preparation of basic earnings per share, preparation of diluted earnings per share. That's it, nothing more. Easy है हाँ, बहुत easy chapter है. Time consuming है, that's it. Very easy हाँ. Preparation of BEPS and preparation of DEPS.
Yes, sir.
So diluted earnings per share comes because of potential equity contracts. potential equity contracts. Now what do you mean potential equity contracts? Example बोल रहा हूँ आपको समझ में आएगा. Example, debentures converting into equity shares, है ना भाई?
Yes, sir.
Preference shares converting into equity shares. Allotment of shares under ESOPs. See, all these contracts will lead to increase in number of equity shares.
Equity shares. Yes.
Because of this, the future earnings per share may come down.
Yes, sir.
बोलते हैं dilution.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Let's start with concept number 1. Concept number 1 is called basics earnings per share. You know how we compute basics earnings per share? We compute something like this. It is nothing but earnings
Sure.
available to equity shareholders
Divided by number of shares.
No, we don't say directly number of equity shares. We say weighted average number of equity shares.
Yeah.
Because I'll tell you, Muzaffar, some shares may be partly paid up, some shares may be fully paid up, some shares may be face value 10, some shares may be face value 100.
Yes,
Some
sir.
are issued, some are there for all 12 months, some are there for 6 months. So that's why we do the concept of weighted average number of equity shares. Thereby we do the concept of weighted average number of equity shares.
Yes, sir.
So basic earnings per share is nothing but earnings available to equity shareholders divided by weighted average number of equity shares. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
That is, लिखो यहाँ पे weighted average number of equity shares. Weighted average number of equity shares. अभी common sense. Weight मतलब किस चीज का weight रह सकता है? Weight can be generally time weight. Logically,
Yes, sir.
बहुत easy chapter है. Weight
Yes,
can
sir.
be time weight. What do you mean by time weight? Time weight means some shares may be there for all 12 months. Some shares
Yes, sir.
freshly issued. अभी Zomato का IPO परसों आया.
Yes, sir.
तो क्या shares all the 12 months shares were there क्या?
No, sir.
No, company was there for all the 12 months. During the year, company was there for 12 months. But logically, allotment तो कोई थोड़ी shares fresh allotment हुए होंगे ना?
Yes, sir.
That's called a time weight. Second weight can be paid up value weight.
Yes, sir.
Some shares may be fully paid up, some shares may be partly paid up.
Partly. Yes.
Likewise, third weight can be face value weight. Like example, please try to understand. 1 share of 100 rupees is equal to 10 share of 10 rupees each.
Yes, sir.
1 share of 100 rupees each is equal to 10 shares of 10 rupees each, or it's equal to 100 shares of 1 rupee each. So time.
Yes, sir.
Bye. Now just 1 minute, boss. A class recorder. Just 1 minute, boss. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, basic earnings per share is nothing but our concept number 1. What is BEPS? BEPS is nothing but earnings available to equity shareholders divided by weighted average number of equity shares. You compute earnings per share at end of the year by
Yes,
taking
sir.
the profit from April to March. And obviously the number of shares need not be same from April to March. Be practical.
Yes.
The shares can be there. Some shares can be there for 12 months. Some shares can be there for 9 months. Likewise, every share need not be fully paid up. Some may be partly paid up. Some may be fully paid up. Likewise, all the shares will not have same face value. They may have different face value. So that's why with this combination, we use the word called weighted average number of equity shares. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Let us understand numerator first. Next, point number 1 hai ye. This is point number 1. Point number 2. Understanding numerator, that is earnings available to equity shareholders. Let us understand numerator first, earnings available to equity shareholders. Now, both easy, sir. I'll ask you only some basic things. Sir, what we are computing is earnings per share.
Yes, sir.
Which share? Equity share.
Equity shares.
है ना भाई, कॉमन सेंस है, वो तो इक्विटी शेयर के लिए कर रहे हैं. तो अर्निंग शुड बी Before preference dividend or after preference dividend?
After preference dividends.
After preference
It should be
dividend.
before tax or after tax?
After tax.
After tax.
After tax. Yeah. It should be before equity dividend or after equity dividend?
Sir.
मतलब, are you computing earnings per share for retained portion or for the earnings available to them?
Earnings available to them, sir. Earnings
मतलब,
available to them.
Logically,
retained
it
portion.
should be before preference dividend. See, after preference dividend, but before equity dividend. Do you agree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Abhi some way, one more doubt. Sir, earnings available to equity shareholders should consider extraordinary items or should exclude extraordinary items?
Should consider extraordinary items.
It should or exclude.
It should, sir.
क्यों बोलते extraordinary items are not routine in nature ना?
Even though at
Consider
last,
करना है,
what is
ignore
available,
करना
it
है.
should be.
हाँ?
Ignore, consider, sir. Consider.
Consider करना है. ध्यान से. Your chapter says very clearly, earnings means all earnings, ordinary
Yes, sir.
earnings, extraordinary earnings, everything you have to consider. So this year the profit may be abnormal because of some reasons, or this year the loss may be there because of some abnormal reasons. All factors you have to consider. Am I clear? तो मैंने यहाँ पे वो चीज डिस्कस की. If you observe, don't write. The earnings available should be, it should be after tax. That's, you have to start
Okay,
with
sir.
that. It should be after preference dividend, but it should be before equity dividend. It should be after statutory appropriations. मतलब sometimes we need to do statutory appropriations ना. इतना percentage of profit you need to transfer. Like bank
Transfer, yes.
में statutory reserves भी create.
25%.
Yes, sir.
अरे
Yes,
statutory reserves निकालना
Okay,
पड़ेगा
sir.
ना.
Ah, sir.
Because-
Yes, sir.
Because statutory reserves are not free reserves.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, it should include the effect of extraordinary and exceptional items. And
Okay, sir.
logically, earnings available to equity shareholders can be negative also.
Okay, sir.
Now my doubt here, Suno, if earnings available to equity shareholders is a negative figure, should I compute negative EPS?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can earnings be negative?
Yes, sir.
मतलब
Yes,
can
sir.
the company
Yes.
like Zomato है, साले Swiggy है, ये सब loss making company है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Paytm
sir.
है, ये सब loss making companies है.
Yes,
So
sir.
loss making companies should also prepare EPS.
Yes, sir.
Answer is yes. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so please write all those aspects here. Come. Right. The earnings available to equity shareholders, the earnings available to equity shareholders should be A, after tax. That is, you have to start with PAT. The earnings available to equity shareholders should be after tax. That is after tax. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
B, it should be after preference dividend. Dividend distribution tax is not there.
Yes, sir.
C, it should be before equity dividend.
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes, sir.
D, it should include the effects of extraordinary and exceptional items. Extraordinary exceptional items you have to consider. You should consider the effect of extraordinary and exceptional items. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Consider karna hai. Now, extraordinary exceptional items are defined where, you know, they are defined where? They are defined in accounting standard 15, accounting standard 5.
Yes, sir.
There is something which is not ordinary course of business is called extraordinary. Something
Okay,
which is
sir.
exceptional means something which is not supposed to happen in the course of business.
Sir.
जो business course में नहीं होना चाहिए पर वो हो गया, is called exceptional.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
E. It should be after statutory reserves. Statutory reserves अगर appropriations करने हैं तो वो देखना पड़ेगा. Reserves. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
F, it can be negative. Yes, it is possible that it can be negative. Therefore, if earnings available to equity shareholders, if earnings available to equity shareholders is negative, spelling mistake, is negative, then we will have negative EPS. बोलो ना सर.
Yes, sir.
Then we will have negative EPS. जो हम लोग EPS बनाएंगे वो negative EPS बन जाएगा. Yes, possibility is there. Am I clear?
Sir.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, done, boss. This is all about your numerator. Sir, earnings should be after depreciation or before depreciation?
After depreciation, sir.
When I say after tax, it should be after depreciation only.
Yes,
We are
Everything
not
should be
preparing
included.
cash EPS. We are not
Yes.
preparing cash EPS. It's normal EPS.
Okay.
We are not preparing cash flows, please. So add back depreciation करने के लिए. Don't do that. Clear?
Okay, sir.
This is all about numerator. Now drama starts in denominator. Next. Point number 2 हो गया. Point number 3. Understanding denominator. That is weighted average number of equity shares. That is weighted average number of equity shares. Wayne's का concept. Shall we?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, उसमें I don't know how you'll write. मैं तो ABCD लिख देता हूँ. A, we know the weight could be of 1, 2, 3. आराम से. Exam में we are observing, sir. Sometimes only they will ask you solve Wayne's. Wayne's के ऊपर क्वेश्चन पूछ लेता सर. Sometimes only denominator they are testing. बच्चे को Wayne's कंप्यूट करना आ रहा क्या बोल के. Careful. Weighted average number of equity shares. उसमें 3 points. The weight could be of what? The weight could be of time.
Yes, sir.
The weight could be of paid up value.
Hmm.
The weight could be of face value.
Yes, sir.
Point would be, we compute number of equity shares. We compute number of equity shares by taking. We compute number of equity shares by taking weight of above factors. Full stop. Let us understand above with help of examples. Let us understand above with the help of examples. Easier, don't worry. Let us understand above with the help of examples. Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Example number 1. Jaun bhai?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, example number 1. Aram se, no hurry. Sir, we are doing problem for the year 2021. और पूरा एक साल के लिए करूंगा ना भाई 2021.
Yes, sir.
So in all the examples, the assumption is we are doing the problem for the financial year 2021.
Yes.
लिख लेना ये
Okay,
पूरे
sir.
problems financial year 2021 के basis पे हैं. That is April
Okay,
to
sir.
March. Clear? लिख रहा हूँ देखो.
Yes, sir.
On 1/4/2020, the number of equity shares with us are 10 lakhs. 10 lakh के share है number.
Okay,
Face
sir.
value is 10, paid up value is also 10.
Hmm.
Very simple examples. Face value 10,
Yes.
paid up value 10. Again on 1st of November 2020, we have issued 5 lakh equity shares of face value 10 with a paid up value 10. क्या किया सर? Fresh issue किया.
Yes, sir.
So logically देखे तो we have 15 lakh shares. at the end of the year.
Yes, sir.
If someone asks you, sir, what is the number of equity shares? You'll say 10 plus 5, 15, which is wrong
Yes, sir.
for EPS. See, 10 lakhs into 10 rupees was available all the 12 months.
Yes, sir.
But rest of the 5 lakh shares were available only for November, December, January,
December,
February,
Jan,
March.
Feb,
5 months.
March. Okay, sir.
Therefore, veins would be, veins kitna rahega? In this sum, the veins would be, see, because face value is same, paid up value is same, I'm ignoring them.
Yes, sir.
Face value same है, paid up value same है ना, उसको ignore करके
yes,
I'm
sir.
doing directly veins.
Sir.
Okay,
Therefore,
sir.
veins is equal to 10 lakhs into 12 by 12 plus 5 lakhs into 5 by 12.
5 lakhs into 5 by 12.
Okay,
Can you
sir.
tell me the answer, please? 10 lakhs into 12 by 12 plus 5 lakhs into 5 by 12. Round figure आना बोल के कोई रूल नहीं है.
12.08.
12.08 lakhs.
Exactly 08.
Yes, sir. 0833.
33, sir.
बोलो पूरे शेयर्स का काउंट है ये, राउंड ऑफ नहीं कर
हाँ
सकते
सर.
ऐसे.
Okay, okay. 12.083 bar.
0.
83 bar.
333, sir. 333.
These are equal to 12 lakh 8,333 shares only.
Yes, sir.
Sir, ऐसे क्यों आ रहा सर नंबर ऐसे आता? Because 5 lakh shares are there only for 5 months. One
Okay,
more
sir.
example shall I take?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Example 2. Example 2. Right now on 1/4/2020, the number of equity shares with us are 10 lakhs, जिसका face value 10 है, paid up value भी 10 है. Clear?
Yes, sir.
On 1/6/2020, we have issued 2 lakh equity shares of 10 rupees each, fully paid up. Again on 1st October 2020, again on 1st October 2020, again we have issued 3 lakh equity shares of 10 rupees each, fully paid up. Again on 31st of March 2021, we have issued 5 lakh equity shares of 10 rupees each, fully paid up. So opening shares at 10 lakhs, issue is 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs and 5 lakhs. Logically put together,
Yes.
we got 20 lakh equity shares.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
कितना होगा veins?
Therefore, veins.
Veins कितना होगा?
10 lakh into 12 by 12 plus
10 lakhs into
2 lakhs
12 by 12 months plus
2 lakhs into 10 by 12.
very good, 10 by 12 plus 3 lakhs into 6 by 12 plus 5 lakhs into 0 by 12. सर जीरो क्या सर? ईयर एंड में अगर शेयर्स इश्यू कर रहे हैं, विल दे गेट अर्निंग्स पर शेयर?
No, sir.
द कैपिटल इज देयर हार्डली फॉर 1 डे मैन.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, आपको करना है तो यू कैन डू 1/365 इफ यू वांट. छोड़ो ना सर.
Okay, sir.
Therefore, vein should be how much? So इस समय क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है बोलते हो? ये डेट इंपॉर्टेंट है. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
तो जनरली स्टूडेंट हरी भरी में 1/12 ले लेगा. How much is the answer? How much is the veins?
Oh, 13 lakh 16,667.
13 lakh 16,667. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
तो बाकी के बच्चे क्यों नहीं बोल रहे भाई?
हाँ, sir.
Four students are there. Tell ना. बाकी के बच्चे बोलना है ना. Shall we move?
Okay, sir.
Example number 3. Can I take now?
Okay, sir.
Now these two sums was only on time value. Now I'll give you time and paid up value also.
Sir,
Okay,
13,58,666 are also.
ये गलत है.
हाँ, 56 है sir. 58. 13,58,666.
ये एक सम नहीं कर पा रहे प्रॉपर्ली. 13 lakhs
58,666.
can make it 666.66 आ रहा तो you can make it 7 also, nothing wrong.
Okay, sir.
उसको यहाँ पे 7 बना सकते हैं आप.
Okay, sir.
So these are equal to 13,58,667.
Yes, sir.
These are not equal to 20 lakh shares. Logically देखें तो total 20 lakh shares हैं. But all the year throughout the year they are not equal to 20 lakhs. They are just equal to 13,58,667 equity shares. Done.
Yes, sir.
So one more example now. Example number 3. Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Now I'll give you time weight plus paid up value weight also. कर रहा हूं. On 1/4/2020, the number of equity shares we are having is 10 lakhs, whose face value is 10, paid up value is also 10. मतलब the shares are logically fully paid up.
Fully paid up.
shares का वो headache ही नहीं है. On 1/10/2020, we have issued 5 lakh equity shares of 10 rupees each, but only 5 rupees paid up. ओहो, बस इतना ही. सिंपल. मतलब यहाँ पे टाइम का भी वेट है, पेड अप वैल्यू का भी वेट है.
Yes, sir.
First shares are fully paid up for 12 months. Rest of the shares are there for 6 months. That too only with 50% paid up value.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, with this information, Vains would be how much? With this information, Vains would be 10 lakhs into 12/12 into 10/10. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Plus
Okay, sir.
5 lakhs into 6 months by 12 months into 5/10. 10 is the base of paid up value.
Yes, sir.
So the answer should be 5 lakh का आधा का आधा. 5 लाख आधा, 2.5 लाख, 2.5 लाख आधा, 1,25,000.
Yes, sir.
So it should be 11,25,000. Any shares तो समान मरा अंटे, they are equal to 11,25,000 equity shares. Clear?
Yes, sir.
अब समझ में आ रहा है धीरे धीरे?
Yes, sir.
Next, example number 4. Example number 4. Shall we?
Yes,
Okay, sir.
आराम से. What I'll do, I'll take the same data. ठीक है, लिख देते हैं. On 1/4/2020, the number of equity shares that we are having is 10 lakhs, whose face value is 10, paid up value is just 5. नहीं ले 10 ले लेते हैं बेटा, because initially the shares would be generally fully paid up. Practical life में all shares are fully paid up, man, unless it's a private company. Very rarely shares are partly paid up. अभी आज
Yes,
की
sir.
तारीख में practically a listed company with partly paid up shares is Reliance, because Reliance have gone for right issue ना.
Yes, sir.
In the right issue they did not demand full money.
Yeah.
उतना ही पैसा उठाया मार्केट से जितना
required है.
काफी है. Practical life, ठीक है. So on 1/7/2020, we have issued 10 lakhs more shares of face value 10, paid up value 5. On face value 10, paid up value 5. Again on 1/10/2020, call was made on 10 lakh equity shares to make them fully paid up. To make them what, sir? Fully paid up. अब क्या बोल रहा है? Originally some shares are there. We issued fresh shares. Again on 1/10/2020, call was made on 10 lakh equity shares to make them fully paid up. There is no hurry. आराम से करो. So logically, how much is the call amount you would have made?
5 rupees, sir.
The call was made to make fully paid. मतलब 5 rupees का call क्या होगा ना? Now how to solve this sum? कुछ भी confusion नहीं है. Just remember how much amount is coming for how many months. Very simple. In this case, the variance would be In this case, the variance would be shall we? सर वेन्स कैसे करेंगे? अब ध्यान से सुनो. कितने शेयर्स है? 10 लाख शेयर्स. 10 लाख शेयर्स are 10 rupees for all 12 months plus another 10 lakh shares. ध्यान से देखो मैं कैसे कर रहा हूं. I will feel as if they are 5 rupees fully paid up because 5 रुपए तो पूरा पीरियड था ना.
13,75,000.
Into 5 by 10 into 9 by 12. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
9 by 12.
Plus 9 I am taking plus another 10 lakh shares into 5 by 10 into 6 by 12.
Okay, sir.
मैंने क्या किया? पैसा जहां से आया वहां से पीरियड एंड. 10 first 10 rupees was there for all 12 months. Next to 5 rupees was there for next to 9 months. Next to 5 rupees was there only for next to 6 months. कुछ कंफ्यूजन नहीं है ना?
Yes, sir.
How much?
Okay, sir.
आंसर
16,25,000.
मुजफ्फर तेरा म्यूट है. 16 lakhs
25,000.
16,25,000 ఈక్విటీ షేర్స్.
Yes, sir.
ఇంకా అర్థం కాకపోతే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇలా అర్థం చేసుకోండి. सर अगर नहीं सर मेरा यहाँ पे 10 रुपया था सर अपने पास. यहाँ पे 10 रुपया था. Again here we got 5 rupees. Again here we got 5 rupees. So this 10 rupees is there for 12 months. This 5 rupees is there for 9 months. This 5
Yes, sir.
rupees is there for how many months? 6 months.
6 months, sir.
ये 12 महीने हैं, ये 9 महीने हैं, ये 6 महीने हैं.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
One more way of doing the sum is 10 rupees is there for all 12 months.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
5 rupees is there for 3 months.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then it has become 10 for next 6 months.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
That way also you can do, but this is more easy. Believe me,
Yes,
this
sir.
should be easy.
Yes,
जब भी पैसा है वहां से you continue.
yes, sir.
Next point. Next example. Example number 5.
5.
Example number 5. Please लीजिए example number 5. Same data. On 1/4/2020. Yeah, Muzaffar, right. On 1/4/2020, the number of shares are how much, sir? 10 lakhs, face value 10, paid up value 10. Okay, done. Next on 1/7/2020, issued 10 lakh shares of 10 rupees each with 5 rupees paid up value. On 1/10/2020, call was made on 10 lakh equity shares to make them fully paid up, but one shareholder holding 50,000 equity shares, one shareholder holding 50,000 equity shares did not pay the call amount. रहते ना practical life में, some shareholders will not pay. No, did you forfeit the shares? No, we did not forfeit.
Yes, sir.
तो अभी क्या हुआ? If you observe carefully, though we made a call on 10 lakh shares, logically we got money only on 9,50,000 shares.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
तो हम लोगों ने 10 लाख शेयर पे कॉल किया, पैसा तो 9,50,000 shares पे आया. That's
Yes,
it.
sir. Yes, sir.
So here Wayne should be how much?
15 lakhs.
Yeah, Wayne should be
ऊपर का आंसर -50,000 shares into 5 called up.
Wayne should be 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs into 10 by 10 into 12 by 12
plus
plus 10
10
lakhs
lakhs
into
into 9 by 5 का था first one. 5 by 10 into 9 by 12 plus 9,50,000 only. 9,50,000 into 5 by 10 into 6 by 12.
Hmm.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
करके देख लो आप लोग, कैसे भी कर लो, आंसर तो यही आएगा.
Yes, sir.
Because out of 10 lakh shares, 50,000 shares के ऊपर पैसा नहीं आया.
Yes, sir.
So answer should be how much? Answer please.
Sixteen lakh 12,500.
3 lakhs है, क्या बात कर रहे हो?
12,500. 16 lakh 12,500.
16 lakh 12,500. Last sum only yaar.
Yes, sir.
Last sum में if you do minus 50,000 into 6 by 12 into 5 by 10, that way also you can do. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Hello Chamunduki.
Okay, sir.
I hope you are doing and I am doing with you. It should
Yes,
not
sir.
be ulta because I am faculty. मेरे को तो कैसे भी आता है, आपको आना है.
Yes, sir.
If you got any doubt, please let me know. Exam में इस तरह के sums आ रहे हैं, please.
Yes, sir.
Next, example number 5.
6.
6 रा बाबू, okay रा बाबू. Example number 6. On 1/4/2020, the number of equity shares are 10 lakh equity shares we have. Face value is 10, paid up value is 10. Okay. On 1/10/2020, issued. On 1/10/2020, issued 5 lakh equity shares. Face value 10, paid up value only 7.5. Partly paid up.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, on 1st January 2021, call was made on shares to make them fully paid up. To make them fully paid
Fully
up.
paid up.
To make them fully paid up. All shareholders have paid the amount on 1st of January 2021 except the following two shareholders.
Yes, sir.
कॉम्प्लिकेट करते जा रहा प्रॉब्लम को, मतलब सबने पैसा पे किया करते जनवरी में ही, पैसा पूछते ही पैसा आ गया, बस 2 shareholders they did not pay.
Yes, sir.
One shareholder,
Okay, sir.
one shareholder holding 40,000 shares paid on 1st of February 2021, and second shareholder holding 60,000 shares paid on 1st of March 2021. Bah, आराम से make yourself cool and then solve. मतलब one thing is clear, man. Out of 5 lakh shares, 1 lakh was not made fully paid up on January.
Yes, sir.
Default है ना. Kavya,
Yes, sir.
yeah, answer Kavya.
Doing, sir.
Therefore, in this case, the veins would be no hurry. Aram se. See, first 2 lines are very easy to solve.
Yes.
First answer is 10 lakhs into 10 by 10 into 12 by 12. Do you agree? Plus. बोलो ना भाई.
Yes, sir.
Plus. अब ध्यान से plus. 5 lakh shares into 7.5 by 10 into 6 by 12. Do you agree up to here?
Yes, sir.
Plus, अब ध्यान से, we made a call on 5 lakh shares to make them 2.5 call.
4 lakhs received.
Yes, sir.
Only on 4 lakh shares we got the money. 4 lakhs पे we got 2.5 for 3 months. Do you agree? Plus on 40,000 shares we got 2.5 for last 2 months. Plus on 60,000 shares we got
1 month.
1.5 only for 1 month.
1 month, 1/2.
कॉम्प्लेक्स
Yes, sir.
कुछ भी नहीं, आप ध्यान से सोचो तो समझ में आएगा. ఆ
Yes, sir.
2.5 3 టైమ్స్ వచ్చింది సార్. మనం కాల్ చేసింది 2.5 और वो साला ₹2.5 3 बार आया. जनवरी में आया, फरवरी में आया, मार्च में आया.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Answer. Answer.
2.5 by 10.
आंसर आंसर क्या M प्लस यूज करके बोलो ना, इजी है ना.
And 2.5 divided by
12,15,417.
12 lakhs
15,000.
10,416.67.
Wait, 7.
12 lakhs 15,416.67 इक्विटी शेयर्स के समान है ये.
Yes, sir.
नो डाउट. लास्ट में देखे तो ऑल द शेयर्स हैव बिकम फुल्ली पेड अप,
Yes, sir.
but still they are not equal to all fully paid up throughout the year.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I hope you are getting some idea now.
10,417. Okay, sir.
Example number 7. Shall I?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
On 1/4/2020, we have 5 lakh equity shares of face value 10, paid up value 5 only. Paid up value 5 only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
ये मेरा नेट इंस्टेबल हो गया. On 1/6/2020, call was made at ₹2.50. Again on 1/10/2020, call was made at the rate of ₹2.50. Clear?
Okay, sir.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
बस ज्यादा नहीं. अब फिर से on 1st of February 2021, bought back. Oh, because fully paid up shares can only be bought back now.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Bought back 1 lakh equity shares. Don't ask me which shares. We have only one type of shares.
Yes,
Only-
sir.
On 1st February 2021, bought back 1 lakh equity shares. Indirectly minus करना है उसको.
Okay, sir.
अभी कंफ्यूजन వద్దు. మీరు అసలు బైబ్యాక్ ని మర్చిపోండి ఫస్ట్.
Yes,
బైబ్యాక్
sir, Dhamraj.
బైబ్యాక్ ఇస్ జస్ట్ మైనస్ ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाउ यू विल.
Okay, sir.
हां आराम से करो, कोई जल्दी नहीं है.
Wins is equal
So
to
it should be 5
5
lakhs
lakhs into
into
10, 5 by 10
yeah, very good Nana. 5 by 10
into 12 by 12.
into 12 by 12 plus
5 lakhs
5 lakhs
into
into 2.5 by 10.
2.5 by 10
5
into
by 10 by
10 by 12.
Very good. 10 by 12 plus
5 lakhs into
5 lakh
2.5 by
into
10
2.5 by 10
6 by 12
6 by
into
minus
6 by 12 minus
minus 1 lakh into
1 lakh into
10 by 10
into
2 by
10.
12. 2 by 12.
buyback minus करना है ना.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Indirectly only fully paid up shares can be bought back. అందుకే
Yes,
minus.
sir.
बोलो ना भाई. Answer.
1 minute. 4,33,333.
4,33,333.
33.
ఈక్విటీ షేర్స్ తో సమానం ఇవి 4,33,333 ఈక్విటీ షేర్స్ के समान है
यस सर नहीं सर
ओ मुजफ्फर बहुत बहुत साउंड डिस्टरबेंस आ रहा
मेरे पास है
एयर का साउंड आ रहा आपके साइड से
मेरे पास है सर
टू मच एयर साउंड पूरा बंद ही हो गया साउंड और भी किसी से आ रहा किससे आ रहा कि फिर
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ నాకు 4 lakhs వచ్చింది
सर 4 lakhs आ रहा सर 4 lakhs
సార్ 4 lakhs సార్
4 lakhs
4 lakhs ఓన్లీ సార్
అరే ఉండరా అరే మీరు చెప్పిన ఆన్సరే కదా నేనేం చేయలేదు కదా
नहीं 4 lakhs सर 4 lakhs
दिस इज 4 लाख इक्विटी शेयर्स के समान ही है
एम प्लस कट जाता है गलती से
indirectly all these are equal to 4 lakh equity shares only easy
यस सर
ఇది సార్
no I hope you are understanding the concept of veins
यस सर
हम लोग अभी तक जो किए वो है टाइम वेट पेड अप वेट के लिए now let's
Yes, sir.
take one sum on face value weight which is never asked in exam but why to take chance मतलब can a company have different class of shares oh yes
यस सर
Okay, point number example number 8 sir any complications you can do sir no you can do 100 complications
sir.
यस सर
हाँ, तो वो
డినామినేటర్ చేంజెస్
easy
10
करेंगे
plus
हाँ. Example number 8 on 1/4/2020 we have 5 lakh equity shares of face value 100 paid up value also 100 on 1/4/2020 we have 5 lakh equity shares of face value 10 paid up value 10 you may feel 10 lakh shares no it's very
Denominator.
different denominator patti answer
यस
ఓకే
सर
next on 1/10/2020 issued another 10 lakh equity shares of face value 10 paid up value 10 determine veins so I have given you here time weight दिया paid up value का weight कुछ भी नहीं है but face value you have to take now question is you have to
5
determine
lakhs into-
veins ఏంటి ఏ బేస్ తో
10 पे लेके करना है
అంటే
सर
100 by 100 10 by 10 10 by 10 అంతే కదా సార్
నువ్వు చెప్పు
नहीं सर
question
फर्स्ट
ఏంటి?
वाले को ही 10 पे ले लेना है तो पूरे
Sir.
एक बेस पे आ जाते हैं
हाँ फर्स्ट यू हैव टू आस्क मी सर किसका बेस लूं determine
yes, sir.
veins by taking base of 10 rupees
यस सर
by taking base of 10 we are bringing all the shares as if they are 10 rupees
यस सर
ఓకే సార్
अभी कैसे करोगे don't be in hurry you should be bothered about no paid up value only face value को भूल जाओ paid up value को ही consider करो
यस
it
सर
will be easy for you therefore veins would be first how many shares 5 lakh shares
5 lakhs
into
5 lakhs.
into 100 by
100
100 by 10
यस सर
don't say 100 by 100
यस सर
ఓకే సార్
indirectly that one share is equal to 10 shares बोल के
यस सर
into 12 by 12 plus 5 lakhs
10
into
by 10
10 by 10 into 12 by 12 plus 10 lakhs into 10 by 10 into 6 by 12 any problem to understand
నో
sir.
సార్
be careful in exam sometimes these people will give the sums from January to December mere bhai we are doing practicing as per financial year in
यस सर
exam sometimes very rarely it happens that the financial year will be from January to December
यस सर
तो पूरा डेटा चेंज हो जाएगा ध्यान से
यस सर
बोलो
ఎస్ సార్ ఓకే సార్
बोलो कितना आंसर
60 lakhs
shares.
they are equal to 60 lakh equity shares of face value 10 के हिसाब से I hope I have made the concept clear of veins
यस सर
యా
ఓ యుగేందర్ సైలెంట్ చేసుకున్నానా చాలా ఎయిర్ డిస్టర్బెన్స్ నీ సైడ్ నుంచి ఓ హీ ఈజ్ నాట్ ద పర్సన్ కావే ఒకసారి నువ్వు మ్యూట్ చేయనా Maybe from Kavya side we are getting that sound disturbance. किसी का air sound आ रहा सर, air sound. ठीक है, let's go. I think yeah, काव्य अनुकुंटा. ठीक है. Shall we move? Are
Yes,
you
sir.
clear with the concept of veins now?
Yes, sir.
So logically we should be able to complete BEPS now. Now what is basic earnings per share? Earnings available to equity shareholder divided by number of equity shares.
Veins. Yes.
Generally number of equity shares बोलते हैं, पर किसका नंबर? weighted average. किसका weight? टाइम का weight हो सकता है, paid up value weight
Paid
हो
up
सकता है,
value, face
face value
value.
का weight हो सकता है.
Yes, sir.
Now some special aspects. Now here next आप रोमन नंबर 2 लिख के लिखो यहाँ पे special aspects. Special aspects, what all things we'll discuss, I'll tell you. Index बना लेंगे C, D and E. एग्जाम में इसके ऊपर भी बहुत क्वेश्चंस है. Special aspects,
Yes, sir.
how you deal with bonus issue. Bonus.
Yes, sir.
How do you deal with stock split? Stock split. How do you deal with consolidation? Consolidation मतलब different shares you will add up.
Add up. Yes, sir.
उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं consolidation.
Yes, sir.
How you will deal with what you call, rights issue? How do you deal with rights issue? Buyback तो है नहीं, but still I'll write. How you deal with buyback? Buyback के ऊपर कुछ sums नहीं है, because it's a CA final concept, but still.
Yeah.
Because practical life में you do buyback at very high price. Buyback. Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Sir, if you observe in the first 3 cases, bonus बोलो, stock split बोलो, consolidation बोलो, there is no cash flow.
Yes, sir.
कोई cash inflow, cash outflow नहीं हो रहा. See, whenever
Yes, sir.
there is no cash outflow, remember, you have to restate your last year's EPS.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise the whole comparison will go wrong.
Yes, sir.
पूरा comparison गलत हो जाएगा.
हाँ, sir.
Shall we? है क्या मेरे पास रेडीमेड एग्जांपल्स है, यूज ना. या we'll take one concept, sir. लिखो ना सर आप लोग, मैं तो कॉपी कर सकता हूँ ना.
Yes, sir.
Copy. I'll copy now, sir. First heading, bonus issue. First heading, bonus issue. इसको डेट 20 करना पड़ेगा ना.
Sir.
Bonus issue. On 1/4/2020, we have 10 lakh equity shares of face value 10, paid up value 10. On 1/4/2020, we have 10 lakh equity shares of face value 10, paid up value 10. On 1/12/2020, we were given bonus in the ratio 1:1. Ratio उल्टा
Yes.
पढ़ना है, पता है ना.
Yes, sir.
1:2 ante for 2 shares you will get 1 share.
1 share. Yes, sir.
1:5 ante for 5 shares you will get 1 share.
1 share.
So on 1/4/2020, right now we have 10 lakh equity shares of face value 10, paid up value 10. Okay. On 1/12/2020, we have issued 1:1 bonus. Okay. Last year's earnings available to equity shareholders is 40 lakhs.
Yes,
Current
sir.
year earnings available to equity shareholders is how much? 50 lakhs.
50 lakhs.
So now determine basic earnings per share and restate the last year's EPS. Concept है सर, बोनस मतलब कोई कैश फ्लो नहीं है ना.
Yes, sir.
So logically, you cannot assign time weight here. So this date is just given to confuse you. वो डेट का क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है? कुछ इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं है, बिकॉज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, बोनस शेयर्स के लिए पैसा तो आया नहीं।
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
तो वो दिसंबर नवंबर है, जनवरी है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? बोनस इज बोनस।
Yes, sir.
तो बिकॉज देयर इज नो कंसिडरेशन, द टाइम वेट विल नॉट वर्क हियर, एंड बोनस शेयर्स कैन नॉट बी इशूड एज पार्टली पेड अप, देयरफॉर द शेयर्स वुड हैव बीन इशूड एज फुल्ली पेड अप ओनली।
Yes, sir.
तो कैसे करना है? First, what we'll do simply last year's EPS first. Point number 1. First, last year's EPS कितना है देखो. No hurry. Last year's earnings available to equity shareholders कितना? 40 lakhs.
40 lakhs.
Bonus was given in the current year ना.
Yes, sir.
Up to last year the shares are 10 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, EPS was 4 rupees per share.
Yes, sir.
Now, remember, current year EPS, what we should do? Nothing. Current year earnings कितना है? 50 lakhs. Good, right? Number of shares are 10 plus 10 ना.
Yes, sir.
ఇంకా time weight ఎందుకు మళ్ళా? Don't say
Yes.
December, January, February, March. Not required.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Come on, yaar, because we did not got consideration. So you
Yes, sir.
should feel as if the bonus shares are given from last year. What? April. तो ध्यान से 50 lakhs divided by 10 lakhs plus 10 lakhs. तो 50 divided by 20 कितना होता है सर?
2.4.
2.5.
2.5 per share. अभी प्रॉब्लम क्या होगा देखो ध्यान से. When you present current year in EPS and last year EPS side by side, you don't write. Listen. While preparing the financial statements for 2021, we'll show current year EPS and last year's EPS, right? Current year EPS is 2.5, last year EPS is 4. This will send a wrong signal to the readers.
Yes, sir.
EPS इतना घट गया इन लोगों का.
हट गया, हाँ sir.
They will feel, Appa, 4 rupees EPS has become 2.5. The company is not making good profit. If you observe, the company has made 10 lakhs extra profit when compared to last year.
Yes, sir.
Last year से देखने से कंपनी ने almost 25% growth दिखाया है प्रॉफिट में.
Yes, sir.
But that is not getting reflected in EPS.
EPS.
EPS में complete wrong signal चले गया. So what your ICI says, do one thing, don't show this. In this place,
Restate.
restate
1.5.
last year's EPS.
ठीक है.
As if the bonus shares have been given in the last year itself.
Last year itself.
आप ऐसा feel करो, bonus shares last year में दे दिए बोल के feel करो. So that's why we say, please restate बोल के. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, point number 3. సాయి వింటున్నావా క్లాస్? సాయి point number 3. Point number 3. Last year's EPS restated. Last year's EPS restated. Last year's EPS restated. Jaun?
Yes, sir.
Why we are restating? Because to make a better comparison, you have to restate the last year EPS, which is nothing but 40 lakhs divided by 10 lakhs plus 10 lakhs. Do you agree?
Yes, sir. 2 per share.
Which is rupees 2 per share.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, now you present. Therefore, how do you present the EPS now? Presentation of EPS. Current year, last year. Basic earnings per share. Current year had 2.5. Last year at 2. Now, if you observe, there is a growth in EPS by 25%, which is the real story.
Yes, sir.
Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Shall I move?
Yes, sir.
So try to understand, the same concept will be there. The same concept will be there in all the three, stock split
Yes,
as
sir.
well as consolidation.
Yes, sir.
Because bonus में, stock split में, consolidation में पैसा नहीं आ रहा.
Yes, sir.
You do the change in the quantity of shares, but logically there is no inflow or outflow. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next. बोनस हो गया. नेक्स्ट स्टॉक स्प्लिट के ऊपर सम. अभी आईआरसीटीसी का होगा स्टॉक स्प्लिट.
Yes, sir.
आईआरसीटीसी दे आर रनिंग एज इफ ये शेयर है ही नहीं, पागल की तरह दौड़ा रहे उसको, आईआरसीटीसी को. द शेयर वाज 1200 रुपीस इन सर कोविड, टुडे इट इज 5000 रुपीस. पागल की तरह दौड़ा रहे आईआरसीटीसी को, शेयर को.
Yes, sir.
जिस दिन गिरेगा वैसे ही गिरेगा. स्टॉक स्प्लिट शेल बी.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, स्टॉक स्प्लिट मतलब प्रैक्टिकली ओनली फुल्ली पेड अप शेयर्स कैन बी स्प्लिट सर.
Yes, sir.
देखेंगे रिसेंटली इसका भी हुआ ना, आइचर मोटर्स.
Yes, sir.
1 share of 10 rupees each was split into 1 share of 1 rupee each. स्प्लिट बोलते हैं उसको. स्प्लिट से क्या होगा, द नंबर ऑफ इक्विटी शेयर्स विल मल्टीप्लाई.
Yes, sir.
So on 1/4/2020, the number of equity shares with us is 1 lakh. Face value 10, paid up value 10. Face value 10, paid up value 10. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. On 1st of November 2020, 1 equity share on 1st of November 2020, we split 1 equity share into 2 equity shares. एक शेयर को 2 में स्प्लिट किया. एक शेयर को 2 में स्प्लिट किया. We split 1 equity share into 2 equity shares. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Next. Last year's earnings available to equity shareholder is 5 lakhs. Current year's earnings available to equity shareholders is 6 lakhs. Determine last year's EPS, current year's EPS, and restate the last year's EPS. Will you do?
Yes, sir.
क्या है, सिंपल में 2-3 सेकंड में हो जाता. సాయితేజ వింటున్నావా?
Yes, sir.
ఎక్కడ వెళ్ళిపోతారా మధ్య మధ్యలో నువ్వు?
సడన్ గా కింద పిలిస్తే ఇంక వెళ్ళాల్సి వస్తుంది సార్ కొంచెం.
నేను ఒకరోజు తీసేస్తాను నిన్ను క్లాస్ లో. ఏంటో నేను ఎప్పుడు పిలిచినా నువ్వు ఉండవు. This third time I am testing you and all the 3 times you are not available.
ఇది సెకండ్ టైం అనుకుంటా సార్.
సెకండ్ థర్డ్ సరే నేను తీయలేదు ఇంకా. ఏం కిందకి వెళ్ళిపోతారు, క్లాస్ ఆన్ చేసి కిందకి వెళ్ళిపోతారు ఇట్రా. అందుకే యూ షుడ్ మేక్ యువర్ కెమెరా ఆన్.
Yes, sir.
then automatically will create an obligation कि कहीं जाना नहीं है बोल के.
Yes, sir.
अब माँ क्यों दी మేము కూడా కెమెరా ఆఫ్ చేసి చెప్పుకోవచ్చు.
I won't repeat it again, sir.
See, if you do camera on na, even I will have discipline, even my family members will also keep नहीं camera recording हो रहा है बोल के. That's a very simple logic sir. ठीक है. Point number 8, last year's EPS.
5.
Sir, last year EPS is nothing but 5 lakhs divided by number of equity shares 1 lakh. That is 5 rupees per share. B. Current year's EPS.
6 lakhs divided by 2 lakhs. 2
One
lakhs.
share has become 2 share, na?
Yes, sir.
1 lakh shares should have become 2 lakh shares.
Yes, sir.
3 rupees per share.
Now, if you present this information, last year EPS is 5, current year EPS is 3, you are sending a wrong signal.
Yes, sir.
You are sending a signal as if we are into declining stage, which is not the case. if you observe, the earnings have increased from 5 to 6. We are a growing company, but EPS is not signaling that way. Therefore, you have to restate the last year EPS.
Yes,
When
sir.
you see last year's EPS restated,
Sir, stock split market पे affect करता sir.
करता ना?
Negative, positive.
Generally positive. Generally positive. Why? Because see, when you split a stock, more number of buyers will attract because of the
Yes.
lower value.
Yes, sir.
अभी आज के डेट में IRCTC का शेयर खरीदना मतलब 5,000 रुपए. स्टॉक स्प्लिट हो गया समझो 1:10 एग्जांपल.
They announce
500 रुपए. At least I can buy 5 stocks ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They announce the stock split, sir.
ये तो टू मच ही बढ़ा ले रहे सर IRCTC को.
Yes, sir.
टू मच बढ़ा रहे हो सर.
After result coming, they'll know what it is.
नहीं सच में सर टू मच है एकदम.
They continuously
आज
announcing.
आज 297 रुपीस बढ़ा दिया एक शेयर.
Yes, sir.
विल गेट सरप्राइज सर. इन मंथ है ये गलत चार्ट है. ये चार्ट प्रॉपर नहीं है सर. दिस इज नॉट प्रॉपर चार्ट. फिगर लोड नहीं हुआ. इन 1 मंथ सो ग्रोथ सर. हर दिन 7% बढ़ा रहे. मेरे को पहले पता होता 10 लाख रुपए डालते थे. तो ऐसा भी है 10 लाख रुपए डालता तो आता 3-4 लाख रुपए तो आता ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
साला पागल. मोनोपोली स्टॉक है ना सर.
Yes, sir.
तो रुकेगा कहीं ना कहीं तो रुकेगा जाके. कहाँ तक भागेगा. Last year's EPS would be nothing but 5 lakhs
divided by 2 lakhs, 2.5 per share.
2.5 per share. Therefore, now your EPS presentation should be. Now your EPS presentation should be very simple. Current year's EPS, last year's EPS. Basic earnings per share 3 and 2.5. ब्रैकेट में रीस्टेटेड बोल के लिखा है क्या लास्ट सम में? नहीं लिखा है ना. एक्चुअली यू राइट हियर ब्रैकेट में रीस्टेटेड. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Please go further. So ये क्या क्या हो गया सर? बोनस हो गया, स्टॉक
Bonus
स्प्लिट
हो
हो
गया,
गया,
split हो गया.
कंसोलिडेशन हो गया. Now we'll go to consolidation. Consolidation नहीं हुआ ना?
Yes, sir.
See, in all the three, one thing is common here. There is no cash inflow. Consolidation मतलब, see, when the share becomes really less in the value, they will join the shares. Like example, idea है अभी. Idea. I don't know what is the face
Yes,
value.
sir.
You can check it. Market value is hardly 11 rupees, 12 rupees. Reliance Communication है. Face value, if I'm not wrong, 10 rupees है. Market value is 3 rupees. तो ऐसे शेयरों को आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. That's called consolidation.
Yes, sir.
Adding 5 shares into one is called consolidation. Same term again, right? On 1/4/2020, the number of equity shares we are having is at 10 lakh. Face value 10, paid up value 10. Face value 10, paid up value 10. On 1st of June 2020, we consolidated. On 1st of June 2020, we consolidated 5 equity shares into 1 equity shares. 5 share को 1 share बना दिया. We have consolidated 5 equity shares into 1 equity share. Next, last year's earnings available to equity shareholders. Oh, Yugender,
సార్
చేస్తున్నావు కదా?
చేస్తున్నాను సార్.
Yeah. Last year's earning available to equity shareholder. కావ్య నువ్వు మ్యూట్ చేసుకున్నానా?
Okay, sir.
మీ సైడ్ నుంచి కొంచెం ఎయిర్ సౌండ్ వస్తుంది.
No, sir. No air sound, sir. It's kid sound, sir.
ఏ
My
సౌండ్?
baby was playing. My baby was playing, sir.
ఓకే. Last year's sorry, last year's earning available to equity shareholders, how much, you know? Last year earnings available to equity shareholders is somewhere around 10 lakhs. Okay. Current year earnings available to equity shareholders is 3 lakhs. Drastically earnings गिर गया इन लोगों
earnings
का.
गिर गए. Yes, sir.
70% earnings गिर गए.
Yes, sir.
But see, if you don't restate, what will happen? You see. Have a look, sir. Therefore, prepare last year EPS, current year EPS, and restate last year's EPS. Last year EPS बनाओ, current year EPS बनाओ और last year का EPS restate करो. Same drama, nothing big them. Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Solution. Let's prepare the solution. Sai Vintonava?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Solution. First, last year's EPS. There is no hurry. How much is the last year earnings? 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs.
How many shares are there in the last year? 10 lakhs.
Hmm.
That is equal to 1 per share. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Next, current year's EPS. Current year EPS, ध्यान से अभी 5 shares will become 1 share ना?
1 share. Yes, sir.
10 lakh shares should become 2 lakh shares.
2 lakhs. Yes, sir.
Sure.
If 5 shares are becoming 1 share, then 10 lakh shares should become 2 lakh shares.
Yes, sir.
That is 3 lakhs divided by 2 lakhs.
1.5
1.5 per share. अब्बा, ऐसे लग रहा कंपनी बहुत परफॉर्मिंग है. 1 rupee has become 1.5.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
చూస్తే
sir.
అక్కడ 70% ప్రాఫిట్ స్కిడ్ అయిపోయింది.
Consolidate.
So consolidation could be a way of window dressing.
Yes, sir.
That's what your ICI says. काम करो, इनको बोलो कि please go for what, sir? Restatement.
Restate. Yes, sir.
Restatement of last year's EPS is equal to 10 lakhs divided by 2 lakhs, which is 5 rupees.
5 rupees per share.
5 rupees per share. बैठे बैठे कुछ और क्या है इसको? 5 rupees per share. Therefore, how do you present? Presentation of EPS. Now, how will you present your EPS? Very simple. It is current year and last year. Earnings per share. Current year is 1.5, last year is 5. Bracket में है, restated. I hope you got an idea now.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
नहीं बोलते, so many things you have seen.
Hmm.
Notes देखे तो पता नहीं चलता कितना notes बना दिया.
Okay.
Now the next concept that we are supposed to learn is about what, you know, rights issue.
Rights issue.
See, rights issue में क्या होता है? Please try to understand. You get the money, but you don't get the money at market value. Because rights issue में क्या होता है? Generally you offer shares to outsiders at market value.
Less price.
Because here the shares are offered to internal shareholders. You will
Yes.
offer at lesser value.
Lesser value. Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Chalo. Give the next heading. Rights issue. Rights issue is a heading. इसके अंदर EPS कंप्यूट करना है.
Yes, sir.
तो लिखो generally equity shares should be offered to public at fair market value. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Generally you offer equity shares at fair market value. No, भगवान भरोसे इंडिया में FMV का डेफिनेशन ही गलत लगता है मेरे को. लिस्टिंग में shares get jumped 300 times, 400 times.
Yes,
क्या
sir.
वैल्यूएशन है सर?
Yes, sir. Paradigm.
जोमेटो शेयर 100% अब खुला सर. ये क्या वैल्यूएशन है फिर सेबी का, भगवान भरोसे. Either
Paradigm.
SEBI is right or investors are right, God only knows.
Yes, sir.
ये परसों वही डिफेंस का शेयर खुला, डिफेंस
Paras defense.
अप्पा 300% अप मैन,
Yes, sir.
पागल हो गए लोग. एंड अपर सर्किट
Still.
from last 3 days.
Yes, sir.
No one is ready to sell the share.
Yes, sir.
Generally equity share should be offered to public at the fair market value. General rule है ये.
Yes, sir.
However, we know in case of rights issue, shares are offered to existing shareholders. Offered only. There is no condition they should buy. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Shares are offered to existing shareholders at value lower than fair market value. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
At a value lower than fair market value. मतलब अभी जितना मार्केट में वैल्यू चल रहा है शेयर का, उतने पे नहीं इशू करते, थोड़े कम, maybe 100-200 rupees कम, 7-10% discount maybe when compared to the market price.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Down arrow. Therefore, this would impact. Therefore, this would impact earnings per share as issue price to existing shareholders would not be at market price. बोलो ना सर.
Yes, sir.
How to do? You know, आज के दिन में अगर मैं बोलूं सर आज की तारीख में क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, this is the most important aspect in the whole standard. And I don't know, 80% students don't understand also. I don't know why they don't understand. Paper valuation करते ना सर, 80% students they go wrong in this computation part, rights issue part.
Okay.
अब आप समझेंगे तो easily समझ में आएगा and very logical. There's nothing to buttify. Let's take one ICA problem directly. क्या directly? हाँ directly sir. There is nothing wrong. One minute, boss. Can I do search here? Search. Yeah. Yeah, we have one simple question here, right?
Yes, sir.
ये एक है. One more question should be there. No? Only one question they okay, man. Practice question also they okay, na? Where? कहाँ है भाई? ఇది ఆన్సర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? बा क्या बात है, इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस दिस टाइम. मारला ऐसे ही डेवलप हो गई भाई.
Last year ही भी sir.
हाँ जी.
Last year ही भी sir. Update करे book को.
हाँ, so many questions in EPS chapter I never saw it.
अच्छे quality problems रखे sir.
अच्छा है ना सर, we'll do, nothing wrong.
Yes sir.
एक दिन और ज्यादा लग जाएगा, क्या है उसमें, we'll do ना.
Yes sir.
Let's do this sum. करेंगे ना, आपको मालूम तो पड़ेगा कैसे करना है.
हाँ, okay sir.
Let's do. Paste. I am reading the sum for you. This is directly question number 2 from your ICA material.
Yes, sir.
I will do one. I'll give you one homework.
Okay sir.
X Limited supplied the following information. You are required to compute the basic earnings per share. BEPS compute करो बोल रहा है. ध्यान से देखो ये लोग क्या करते कि नहीं समझ में आता. जनवरी टू दिसंबर यार. जस्ट अभी बोला था आपको कि we are doing from April to March. Sometimes they'll give from January to December. Some January to December है. Careful.
Yes, sir.
Net profit for the last year 20 lakhs. Net profit for the current year 30 lakhs. Number of shares prior to right issue 10 lakh shares are there.
Yes sir.
What is the right issue? Right issue is one new share for 4 shares. हर 4 share के लिए you're eligible to buy only 1 share. Indirectly, offer is to allot how many shares? 2,50,000
Like
shares.
50,000 shares.
Because 10 lakhs into 1 by 4 kada.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you're holding 4 shares, you will get 1 right share. You will get ka, you have to buy it.
Yes, sir.
अरे बहुत कम में ऑफर करते हैं. It's always advisable you should buy.
Hmm.
If you don't buy, you'll become fool. Because any of the market price will come down after that. Averaging करना पड़ता है, mandatory है वो.
Okay.
Likewise, in this sum, because the ratio is 1:4, for 4 shares you will get 1 share. For 10 lakh shares, you should get logically 2,50,000 equity shares. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Rights price कितना है देखो, just 20.
Yes, sir.
But whereas the market price is 25.
Yes, sir.
25 rupees का share, 25 rupees का share, they are giving just at 20. Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is the last date if you want to buy the right share? March.
31st March 2022.
31st March 2022 ఏంట్రా సరే ఏదో ఒకట్లే करंट ईयर में आपको अगर बाई करना है तो अभी बाई कर लेना आप लोग.
Yes, sir.
क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
मार्च అంటే ఇయర్ ఎండ్ కాదు బాబు, జాగ్రత్త. जनवरी फरवरी मार्च मतलब 3 महीना टाइम, 3 महीने के बाद.
3 months.
Okay.
अभी क्या पूछ रहा है? व्हाट यू
Okay, sir.
స్లోగా మాట్లాడరా, రికార్డింగ్ అవుతుంది. అదర్వైజ్ చేంజ్ యువర్ మైక్రోఫోన్. ओके, यू आर रिक्वायर्ड टू कंप्यूट बेसिक अर्निंग्स पर शेयर. हेडिंग में दे दिया ना?
Yes, sir.
No. आराम से करेंगे, देयर इज नो जल्दी. शैल वी?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
आराम से स्टार्ट करो मेरे साथ, आपको समझ में आएगा. पॉइंट नंबर ए, फर्स्ट विल डू लास्ट ईयर्स ईपीएस. करो ना मेरे साथ, करो. लास्ट ईयर्स ईपीएस. लास्ट ईपीएस मतलब x1 का. x1 వాడు ఎలా నిచ్చాడు బదలాగా. 21 कर लेंगे तो 2011 कर देंगे क्या उसको?
हाँ, sir.
Yes, sir.
మీ
2011.
2011 చెప్పినా
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
x ని 1 తో రీప్లేస్ చేస్తున్నా. 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm making this sum as a 1 so that there will not be any doubt. 1 1 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 1. अभी समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
ओके. 2011 का अर्निंग्स कितना है? 20 lakhs. लास्ट ईयर हाउ मेनी शेयर्स पर देयर? 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs.
2 rupees per share.
तो लास्ट ईयर अर्निंग्स पर शेयर, दैट इज 2011 का अर्निंग्स कितना है? 20 lakhs divided by 10 lakhs which is equal to 2 rupees per share. Do you agree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Point B, current year EPS. Now hold, आराम से. Current year EPS compute करना है तो if you observe carefully, layman version, 10 lakh shares are there for all the 12 months
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
and 2,50,000 shares have been issued this year as fully paid up,
Yes, sir.
9 months old.
but only for 9 months.
Yes, sir.
Wayne's का logic. और problem क्या है? If you observe, those 10 lakhs shares are worth 25.
Yes, sir.
But now the shares that you have issued, they are logically 25, but you have issued at 20.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hey, before rights issue, वो जो 10 लाख शेयर हैं, these 10 lakh shares are worth 25 each.
Yes,
But
sir.
now the shares that you have issued are 2,50,000 of 20 rupees each.
Yes, sir.
Now indirectly what will happen? You know, your average company value will come down. If you still don't understand, just casually listen. One student has joined with me for 5,000.
Yes, sir.
One more student have joined with me for 5,000.
Yeah.
Now the total fees is 10,000 divided by 2 students. Average remains same.
5,000. Yes, sir.
5,000.
One more student joined for 5,000. 15,000 by 3. No problem.
5,000.
One more student joined for 5,000.
5,000.
No problem. One student have joined for
No problem.
4,000.
Average.
उसने बोला सर सर प्लीज सर प्लीज सर. मैं बोला तेरे जान
24,000.
अब मेरा प्रॉब्लम क्या है देखो. No, that one student will disturb the whole average.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, 5 plus 5 plus
4,800.
5 plus 5 plus 4.
1000.
Divided by 5 students only, na?
48.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
indirectly
Yes,
my
sir.
average fees
4.8.
per student is 48 only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Matlab indirectly, if you offer any discount to anyone, your average fees will come down.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Simple
Okay,
logic.
sir.
Here, if you're offering shares at simple logic, is sir. If you're offering shares at low, you may feel you are doing benefit to the shareholders, but logically the average value per share will come down,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
which is not correct for the company.
Sir.
But still, to attract the existing shareholders, we offer at low price.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let us understand what should be the market value per share after rights issue.
Yes, sir.
उसको ये लोग बोलते theoretical, because practical नहीं है ना.
Yes, sir.
This is called theoretical market price after rights issue.
Okay.
So
Okay.
point number 1 इसके नीचे. Let's find out theoretical market price per share after rights issue. Let's find out theoretical market price per share after rights issue, which is equal to, सुनना है? सुनो, no problem. How many shares are there before rights issue? 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs.
What's the price per share? 25.
25 rupees.
Plus another 2.5 lakh shares are issued at 20.
20 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Divided by total number of shares कितने?
12,50,000.
12,50,000.
Can you please solve this for me?
Yes, sir.
This should be 250 lakhs plus, how much this is?
2.5 to
50 lakhs.
20
50 lakhs divided by
Yes.
12.5
by
lakhs.
24 rupees.
That is equal to 24 rupees per share.
Yes, sir.
Indirectly, 25 rupees share will now become 24
Okay.
because you have
Yes,
given
sir.
discount ना.
Yes, sir.
अब इतना ड्रामा करने का क्या
हाँ,
जरूरत
okay, sir.
है? इंత ड्रामा చేయడం ఎందుకు? For 4 share you are giving 1 share ना.
Yes, sir.
मैं तो ऐसे नहीं करता, मैं
yes,
तो
sir.
ऐसे करता. 4 shares of 25 plus 1 share of 20 divided by 5. You'll get the same answer. Check it. 4 shares of 25 plus 1 share of 20 divided by 5 shares.
Yes, sir.
Same answer यार.
Yes, sir.
Ratio same.
Indirectly average तो वही रहेगा
same
ना.
answer.
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు మీ దగ్గర
Okay,
4
sir.
shares ఉన్నాయి, నేను ఇంకొక షేర్ ఇచ్చాను అంతే కదా.
Yes, sir.
Because for 4 shares you will get 1
అంతే
share.
sir.
4
Yes,
shares
sir.
of 25 plus 1 share of 20
Okay,
put
sir.
together 5 shares with you.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is like alternate working. Those who feel sir उतना headache कौन करेगा lakhs of rupees में, you can do this way.
Sir.
Now indirectly,
Okay, sir.
सुनो. Indirectly 1 share after rights issue is 24.
Okay.
1 share after rights issue is 24.
Yes.
मतलब logically the share before right issue is more than 24.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
we have to.
Logically it should
Yes.
be more than 1 ना then.
Yes, sir.
आराम से सर మీరు అర్థం చేసుకుంటే అర్థం అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు మెయిన్ పాయింట్ తో యही है కాన్సెప్చువల్లీ బట్టి మానना तो 2 मिनट का काम है.
Sir.
రైట్స్ ఇష్యూ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఒకసారి వినండి. హ్యావ్ ఎ లుక్ సర్. ఇమాజిన్ దిస్ ఇస్ బిఫోర్ రైట్స్ ఇష్యూ, దిస్ इज आफ्टर राइट्स इश्यू. राइट्स इश्यू के पहले एक शेयर 25 रुपए का है.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
राइट इश्यू के बाद द एवरेज इज 24.
Yes, sir.
ఇఫ్ ఏం చేస్తున్నారా
అవును sir.
యుగేందర్
సార్ విన్నాను సార్.
కెమెరా ఆఫ్ చేసుకో అయితే,
ఓకే.
లేకపోతే కెమెరా సెట్ చేసుకో. No,
Okay,
Vinali,
sir.
if 24 rupees is equal to 1 equity share, then 25 should be something more than that only, na?
ఓకే సార్.
Yes, sir.
Very simple logic, sir.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే
20
సార్.
ఒక్క షేర్ 24 రూపీస్ సమానం అయితే 25 रुपीस शेयर ఒకటి కన్నా ఎక్కువే కదా.
అంతే. ఓకే సార్.
वो जो 25 रुपए का शेयर है वो एक से ज्यादा ही है ना.
Yes, sir.
अभी आप ध्यान से सोचो, अगर 4000 में भी एक सब्जेक्ट मिल रहा है, अगर 4000 में if I'm able to join one student for 4000, those who have paid 5 should get more than one subject ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
पागल है क्या?
Okay,
बाकी के बच्चे
okay.
पागल है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Imagine if 10 students have joined for 5000 each and one student have joined for 2500, And if you inform everyone, what you will tell? Sir, हम लोग पागल है क्या? He is joining for the whole account subject by paying 2,500. We have paid
Yes.
5,000. Either refund us 2,500 or teach us two subjects. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
This is called adjustment factor.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
मतलब indirectly, अगर 24 rupees is equal to one share, 25 rupees is equal to how many shares?
More than one share.
Yeah, it should be
More.
more than one, but how much?
25 divided by 24.
Therefore,
1.0416.
adjustment factor is equal to, ये लोग तो लॉ बट्टी मारते सर, ऐसे ही तो प्रकार गई थे. Adjustment factor is nothing but market price per share before rights issue by market price per share after rights
After
issue.
right issue.
After that issue.
ये बट्टी
okay,
मारने का तरीका है, which is equal to 25 on 24. ठीक,
Yes, sir.
24 on 25 बोलते क्या? 24 on 25, correct. कितना बॉस? 1.04,
1.04.
exactly 04.
Yes, sir.
नहीं 1.6.
Sir, 1.041666.
पूरा बोलना है, लगभग 4 decimals you have to tell me.
Sir.
1.6.
1.0416.
1717.
Okay. मतलब logically one share is not just one share, it is equal to 1.0416 shares.
Yes, sir.
मैं तो इतना नहीं बट्टी मारा था सर, मैं ऐसे करा था. If 24 rupees is one share, then 25 rupees is
25.
how many
How
shares?
much?
Simple.
Yes, 25.
ये मेरा एडजस्टमेंट फैक्टर ऐसा है.
Yes, sir. Logical.
ऐसे वाला ये बोलता सर कि मार्केट प्राइस पर शेयर बिफोर राइट्स इश्यू बाय मार्केट प्राइस पर शेयर, नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. ऐसे समझाओ ना बच्चों को. If 24 rupees can make one share, 25 rupees should make how many shares?
हाँ,
It should
right.
make 1.0416 share. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Therefore, current year's earning per share. अभी देखो क्या ड्रामा था. Don't write, listen. एक बार please सुनो. Don't write. Listen. This is nothing but current year EPS. Sorry, how much is current year earnings?
Yeah, 30 lakhs.
Very good. That is, सुनना है आराम से. 30 lakhs divided by. Sir, ఏంటి అంత పెద్ద కొట్టారు? చెప్తాను ఉండదు. Sir, how many shares are there before rights issue?
10 lakhs.
10
10
lakhs.
lakhs.
10 lakh. But that one share is not just equal to 1 na.
Yes, sir.
It is equal to 1.0416.
1.04. Yes, sir.
But it was there only
Yes.
for how many months? 3 months.
3 months. Into 3 by 12.
Okay, sir.
After
Yes.
that, it has become
12,50,000
12,50,000 shares of
Into-
1 into 9 by 12.
Okay, sir. Understood.
अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो these shares are 24 rupees, these shares are 25 rupees. Thereby the multiplier is
Okay, sir.
1.0416. समझ में आ रहा?
Okay, sir.
मुजफ्फर डाउट है?
नहीं सर नहीं.
Now please solve and tell me na sir. This is equal to 30 lakhs divided by what? Directly also you can tell me the answer. I'll be okay with it.
11,97,900 shares है sir. Wins.
Okay. So 30 divided कितना बोले sir? That is 30 lakhs divided by
11,97,900.
11,97,900
900.
shares के समान है, which is equal to
2.504.
2.504 per share.
Yes.
Therefore, your current year earnings per share is 2.504. Now listen, you have to restate last year EPS also, because last year share is not just one; it is more than one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, you have to restate the last year's EPS. पहले ये लिखो, ये समझ में आया लॉजिक?
Yes, sir.
సాయి అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir. Denominator నాకు వేరే వస్తుంది సార్.
क्या मुजफ्फर राइट नहीं है?
Right, yes, sir.
Only, sir.
నేనే
Uh,
Sai is telling he is getting different denominator.
Sir,
Check it, everyone again, please check it.
two point five zero four. Okay.
2.504 per share. Correct है?
Correct, sir.
11,97,900 is correct only na?
Yes, sir.
Correct only, sir.
Therefore, you have to
Yes.
restate the last year EPS. Therefore, last year EPS bracket में restated. Last year EPS also you have to restate. Why? Because last year those 10 lakh shares are not just 10 lakhs, they are more than 10 lakhs.
1.0.
That is 20 lakhs divided by 10 lakhs into 1.041617.
16.
Yeah, can anyone please?
Seven point 68.
11.11.
68.
Sir, 1 point.
7 sir,
So,
7.68.
क्या कर रहा मुजफ्फर?
1.92, sir.
1.92, sir.
मुजफ्फर क्या कर रहा है यार?
हाँ राइट, हाँ मैं 3/12 भी किया था सर, सॉरी।
Last year.
हाँ
ये तो 12/12 है ना मुजफ्फर?
हाँ राइट सर, राइट।
Last year these shares were there for all 12 months. ना? हाँ,
Yes,
तो
sir.
कितना?
1.92.
1.92. 1.92.
1.92 per share.
Hmm.
Therefore, to conclude, current year, last year, my BEPS is equal to, current year BEPS is 2.504, last year 1.92, bracket में restated. Restate करने से the value came down if you observe. Because last restate करने से the value came down if you observe.
Yes sir.
2 rupees has become now just 1.92.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Because अక్కడ ఒక్క షేర్ కన్నా ఎక్కువతో సమానం, एक शेर एक से ज्यादा है.
Yes sir.
So 2.504, 1.92. Let's see your IC answers. They have directly taken just 1.04. We have taken more accurately.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
You take up to 4 decimals in exam.
Okay, sir.
एग्जाम में 4 डेसिमल्स तक लेना है, करेक्ट है. वो 1.04 आप भी बोले, मैं और एक्यूरेट लिया, नथिंग रॉन्ग.
Okay sir.
Okay,
So
sir.
last year's EPS is coming how much? Current year EPS 2.51.
Yes, sir.
कितना है अपने को?
2.504.
चलेगा. We are more accurate. And
Yes,
and last year's restated EPS 1.92.
1.92.
Yes sir.
उसके लिए इतना ड्रामा है सर. ये देखो फॉर्मूला देखे तो बच्चे डर जाते सर. इतना
sir.
awesome. Just to compute the what you call theoretical x right value, theoretical x right fair value కనుక్కోవడానికి ఇంత పెద్ద ఫార్ములా అవసరమా? It's nothing but number of shares into price before rights issue plus number of shares offered.
Yes sir.
Clear?
Yes sir.
So this is the sum on rights issue, sir. I hope we should have more sums on rights issue. Will you do this sum? Friends,
Same sir. Same sir.
Yes, sir.
same data है.
Okay
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Same sum है
Yes.
तो करो ना, क्या है, होमवर्क करो.
हाँ okay sir.
Okay, sir.
Homework.
Illustration 4. Yes sir.
Yeah, homework. HW. मैं नहीं करूंगा, obviously. Don't expect from me.
Okay sir.
Yes, sir.
Homework.
H double.
करना please.
Yes, sir.
So this is your homework sum. Wait a minute.
Okay,
This is your
sir.
homework sum. और भी है क्या देखता हूँ. 1 minute. Because material is no. In old material it was only 2 sums. So
Yes,
new
sir.
material, so just give me 1 minute. Let me see. This is what we have done. Done. ये तो कर लिया ना हम लोग, ओनली टू सम, सेम टू सम्स, मतलब मेटेरियल को सिर्फ रीऑर्गेनाइज किया इन लोगों ने, कुछ नया नहीं बनाया। डन बॉस?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
So I think today we've made a very broad coverage, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो आपको लगता होगा क्या तो कवर किया बोल के, बहुत कुछ कवर किया सर।
Okay.
इट इज अ वेरी बिग स्टैंडर्ड ना,
Yes, sir.
तो नोट्स लिखने में टाइम जा रहा सर। तो वेयर वी स्टार्टेड, इफ यू रिमेंबर, जस्ट वी स्टार्टेड विद बेसिक अर्निंग्स पर शेयर एंड स्टिल वी आर इन बेप्स ओनली।
Yes, sir.
डाइल्यूशन तो स्टार्ट भी नहीं किया, इनका बाईबैक पेंडिंग है अभी तक।
Yes, sir.
So what we'll do, tomorrow's class will directly start with diluted earnings per share.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
बाईबैक के
तो
ऊपर सम से
buyback-
क्या, बाईबैक ठीक है मैं करा देता हूँ, तुलसी सम से करा देता हूँ ना,
Okay, okay, sir.
सेम कॉन्सेप्ट है, वहां पे माइनस होगा मुजफ्फर।
Okay.
बाईबैक में भी सेम ड्रामा है, पर बाईबैक में क्या है, नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स विल कम डाउन ना,
Yes, sir.
और बाईबैक में क्या है, लॉजिकली
Adjusted
सेम समय। बाईबैक में भी आप लोग क्या करते हैं,
adjustment factor.
यू विल ऑफर मोर प्राइस ऑन बाईबैक।
Yes, sir.
Okay.
अगर
sir.
मार्केट वैल्यू इज 25, यू विल पे देम 35 रुपीज, बोलते हैं ले लो मेरे को शेयर्स दे दो मेरे।
Okay,
That
sir.
also leads to average value per share will come down after buyback.
Yes, sir.
इसलिए बायबैक में आता है तो शेयर्स दे देना है।
Yes.
If you retain the
Okay,
shares with
okay,
you,
sir.
the average price per share will come down.
Okay,
Yes,
तो
sir.
यहाँ पे हम लोग जो राइट्स इश्यू में प्लस करते हैं ना, वो माइनस हो जाएगा वहां पे, that's it, डिनोमिनेटर में।
Okay. Okay.
Still will do one sum, not a big deal, don't worry. है क्या कोई
Yes,
सम
sir.
है क्या बायबैक पे? एक भी सम नहीं है। ए, वो जो सम है वो नॉर्मल वेन्स का है रे, इट्स जस्ट वेन्स।
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
नहीं है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, सीए फाइनल का प्रॉब्लम है वो वे, बट स्टिल वी कैन आल्सो डू, नॉट अ बिग डील।
Okay, sir.
So what we'll do tomorrow,
Okay, sir,
the
understood.
concept of diluted earnings per share.
Okay,
What
sir.
we completed today is a BEPS. Tomorrow mostly within 1 hour I should be able to complete DEPS. DEPS में ज्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है, debenture to equity, preference to equity, ESOPs.
Okay, sir.
Actually, when you convert debenture to equity, you will have savings in interest now.
Yes, sir.
Because of that saving, tax liability will increase now.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
numerator में 2 effects.
Yes, sir.
Numerator में भी earnings बढ़ेगा ना,
Yes, sir.
डिनोमिनेटर में नंबर ऑफ
Understood,
शेयर्स
sir.
पेరుగుता ही। ऐसे ही प्रेफरेंस के कारण, प्रेफरेंस टू इक्विटी का कारण, देयर बी सेविंग्स इन प्रेफरेंस डिविडेंड। डिविडेंड पे करने का जरूरत नहीं है ना,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बट द नंबर ऑफ इक्विटी शेयर्स विल इंक्रीज।
Yes, sir.
इन ESOP, न्यूमरेटर विल नॉट चेंज, only the denominator will change. So let's do those
Okay,
3
sir.
sums tomorrow and we'll pack up our debts. Then we'll do problems on accounting standard 20 tomorrow.
Yes,
Hopefully I should be able to close tomorrow debts.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you don't mind, can we take class tomorrow at 9:30? Sorry,
Evening.
not 9:30, 10:30, not night, yeah, morning.
Morning,
Okay, sir.
okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
10:30 to 1 we will take.
Yes, sir.
10:30 to 1, and evening also we'll take one more class.
Okay, sir. Will come.
On.
Please, thoda, because after 8 I'm not available here. For next 1 week I'm not available.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sir.
So
Okay.
I want
Okay,
to
sir.
close it on 8th. Because 8th ko I want to close my batch. Shall
Okay,
I?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, so why to hurry up, sir? मेरे को है कि